Hello guys, it's me again, Mom Shawie. So today guys, I received a package from TikTok Shop. So I have purchased this product from TikTok Shop. So let's unbox it. Okay. So what do you think is this guys? So this item or this gadget is a small but terrible gadget. So here it is. Ta-da! So it is being wrapped by bubble wrap. Okay, small but terrible. So this is guys, this is what we have. A very cute microphone. So guys, this is called as lavalier microphone or a wireless microphone. So a lavalier microphone is a small microphone used for public speaking application to allow hands-free operation. So this guys, it provides with small clips for attach to colors, to ties, or any part of clothing. Okay, so lavalier microphone, also known as color microphone or neck microphone. Okay, neck microphone or color microphone. Okay, this guys picks up sound and transmit it to our equipment. So from here, it is being transmitted, it is being collected and transmit to our computer, to our cell phone, and on our camera via audio wire cables or wireless devices. And it converts the analog signal into a digital signal from our voice recording. So, my new vlogging gadget. Oh, it's very cute. See? Very cute. With a circular bag. Okay, so, according here, wireless microphone. Okay. So, later guys, I'm going to I'm going to use this whether it can be as useful as I am thinking. So, thank you very much guys for listening, and thank you for being with us on the whole duration of unboxing this cute little partner. So this cute wireless microphone, this lavalier microphone. Thank you very much guys, and this has been Mom Shawie. More power everyone. God bless.